Here's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This GLE is reassuring when the weather turns and rewarding when the road turns. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: twin-turbo V6 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, integrated navigation system with voice activation, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, power tilting steering column, auto tilt-away steering column, and power heated mirrors. Cars Direct proclaims the GLE's beautifully crafted interior leaves you wanting for nothing. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,